Today, I'm going to be sharing with you the #1 free plugin you should be using to elevate your edits. And the plugin I'm talking to you about today is the Mr. Horse Premiere Composer. In the Premiere Composer, for free on Mr. Horse website, you can get their starter pack. And in their starter pack, they include so many cool stuff. You might be able to hear the pan transition right now as I'm messing around with this, but they got text boxes, text presets, transitions, social media, shape elements, and even sound effects that you can use to help elevate your edits. One of my favorite things to use Mr. Horse for is simply the transitions. The transitions literally make this thing. It is so quick and easy to add pan effects, zoom in, zoom outs, glitch effects, light leaks, and more. And even in their paid option, there's tons of more things for you to use. So definitely get on there, check it out, and look at the subscription, because honestly, if you're an editor, especially a freelance editor, this is one of the best tools for you to use to help produce effective client work fast. And the transitions are literally simple to use. Right here on the pan transition, I just drag it onto the timeline from the Premiere Composer and it imports it automatically. All these right here are imported Mr. Horse transitions that have allowed me to elevate this edit that I have created. In fact, why don't we give that a watch now? You can head over to MrHorse.com to check out all those awesome transitions and presets and stuff like that. And I want to be clear, this is not a sponsored video. This isn't something I'm being paid to talk about. This is just something I love and that I want to share with you guys. If you go to their website, you'll see all the cool stuff that they have to offer. They even have an animation composer for those of you out there who are looking to do some stuff in After Effects quicker and better. Their pricing structure is also pretty awesome. You can do an annual plan for $198 or a monthly plan for $20. And of course, the free plan is the plan that I use. Now, here's what's even cooler. In their FAQ, can I use the free version for commercial purposes? And it says, yes, you can. You can use the free version in the same scope as the paid versions. You can create an unlimited number of on-demand videos in closed format, even for commercial purposes. It is phenomenal that you get the opportunity to use this resource to empower clients and to do other really cool stuff. And so, hey, I wanted to share this guy with you guys so that you can take the next step in your editing. Hey, if you found this video helpful, do me a favor and click right here so that you can keep learning.